Hi, it's Grant Abbott speaking, CEO of LightYear Docs, and we're going to have a look at a Division 7A loan, which you'll generally find amongst all our loan agreements in business and commercial. But all I'm going to do is just go div, and then it should pop up. Perhaps if we go down commercial, okay, business and commercial agreements, and we will see there our Division 7A loan, which is there. So I'll start the document as is normal. I'm going to put it into my Abbott test folder, and I'm going to call it the Smith Company Div 7A loan. So I'm going to start that up, which is good. We go down the track there, and that'll open it up. So we start off Division 7A loan. You can put in your own logo. I'm going to use the Abbott-Family one. So we've got the lender. The lender is obviously going to be the company or trustee of a trust. So we're just going to call this Smith Bucket Pty Limited. Put in the ACN. We need the registered office we put in there. Get that off ASIC, Sydney. Quite often it's just going to be the accountant's office. Company has 2 directors, so we'll go 2 there. Confirm what's the full name of the director, John James Smith, and his spouse, Sally Ann Smith. So that's all okay. We've confirmed that. Now the borrower, in this instance, we're going to make it an individual. So it's going to be, let's just go select, because that's a short way of doing it. So we may have that in there, because we've got the address there, which is fine. So it's John James Smith. And then what we'll do is we'll put in Sally Ann because they're borrowing jointly. So what effectively has happened, Sally Ann, is that the trust, if there's a family trust, is distributed to the bucket company. There's cash in the bucket company that both Sally Ann and also John want to effectively use for their own purposes. But what they want to do is not pay much tax. So they enter into a loan agreement, a Division 7A loan agreement. You can see that was changed because I put in the wrong select. Again, always save the answers along the way so it goes in progress. So we go to the agreement details, date of the agreement. Let's say it started on the 1st of July. So it started on the 1st of July, date of commencement of the loan. Now it just depends on whether this is a new loan or existing loan. So we can put in there 01 07 2020, which is good. Where's the loan agreement? New South Wales. Principal loan amount. So we work out what it's going to be for the year. So we might go 85 is the loan amount. The term of the loan amount, we just need to work out whether it's 7 years because it is effectively going to be without any mortgage. So I can go 7 years if I don't have security, but I'm going to go 25 years and I'm going to do a mortgage deed, which is automatically included in our Division 7A loan. So I'm going to do the same, the mortgage deed. I'm going to do that from, again, the same date as we did before, 1st of the 7th, 2020. So that's okay. Term of the loan is 25 years. The real estate property, so you need to get the folio number. So let's say it's folio number, and then it's, lot 543 Skillagee. So again, just get that off the land title, which is fine. Then put the address down here. Sydney, New South Wales, 2000. And then that will do your mortgage deed for you as well. So it's 2 documents combined in one. I'll finish that document, then I'll show you what we've got. So that's your Div 7A loan. Again, if you have no property to mortgage, then you're only entitled to 8 years, and it comes out automatically with the relevant interest rate. So I'll just go through here. You see the document Division 7A between the bucket company and the two borrowers there. So that saves a bit of tax. We've gone and put in there the Commissioner's guidelines as well, straight out of the ATO website on the latest on Division 7A, although it is going to be changing a little bit later on to the 10-year rule. We're still waiting on that, so it could be quite a ways there. There's lots of examples there. You can see here we've got the lender Smith, John James, obviously here we've got Sydney. When you see this in your document, I won't go back and fix it, it means that this field, which is obviously the state, so I haven't put in New South Wales in either of those, but I can go back and reopen it quite easily. So you've got Division 7A, talks about Schedule 1. You've got your interest rate there, 5.37%. And for this current income year, it's actually 4.52%. So we just go down that. It's quite a strong, it's our ordinary loan agreement. You come down to the execution pages, which are going to be the borrowers and also then the lender, the bucket company. And then we go into the mortgage deed as well. If it's again, you can see there's just the New South Wales. So we're pretty strong on that. And then that mortgage would need to be registered. If it's a Queensland property, we automatically produce the mortgage documents. Anyway, it's Grant Abbott signing off.